Hello guys, look at this vintage motor. This is too old motor, 3-phase, and it's just too heavy motor. It never used. It is new. It is not new, but it never have been used. Around 20 to 20 years or 25 years old, never used. I think so, that much old, because date is not given here. It's rusted everywhere and it will never be used because it is 3-phase. And now the motors are coming only 2-phase, so there will be very less chance that it will be used later on also. 3-phase was used in vintage era, but now it is not vintage era. It is now modern era, and the modern era uses only 2 phases. That's it. As you can see, type, everything, type, size, frequency 50 Hertz, and the company Carlos Car Brothers Ltd, India. And motor, I don't know, date is where given. If it is a date, I don't know. Where is the date? I have not seen. If you find it, comment it, because here no date. Alright, let's see the motor anymore. Okay, as you could see, the motor is just too big one and too heavy. The wire would be connected after removing these bolts, I think so, because there are no connection. After removing this one, only the wire will be visible. It's too heavy. Because you can see the cap already planted here, and here also cap already placed, and here also cap already placed. It never have been removed from it. Okay, and now look inside it. What is it? Okay, as you could see, inside it a green fan and Spider-Man webs. Spider-Man came inside and spread web everywhere, and that bigger green web. And look at that road, middle road is too, not in camera looks big, but not that big. Okay, look at this middle road. Yeah, middle road is really big. In camera also big, and normally also big. The middle one, middle shaft, whatever you say, road shaft. Alright, that's it. This is vintage motor and never have been used, and it will never be used. That's it.